the fish finder, the rod. Got my stand. It's windy today. It's not that warm, but we're gonna see if we can get some perch or walleye or both. Oh my goodness! Why does it look? Just look how fast it goes up. You guys probably don't see it, but basically the fish goes down so slow, and then when it comes up so fast that it stops. That has to be like a walleye or something, because perch do not behave like that. Oh, another one just came. Oh, this one has to bite. Oh, it's bit. I have to drop it. There's mad fish down there right now. Mad fish. Yo, this is a crazy fish. Oh, I got him. What the hell? Please be a walleye. This must be a. Oh my lord! Look at this perch! Oh my, this has to be one of my biggest perch. There's mad fish down there. I have to. Let's see how fast I can do this. Chasing me like stupid. Oh my, got him! Oh my goodness, I got him! My hands are so numb, I can barely. Oh my goodness, that's a big perch. I think it's a big perch. I would be grateful to the Lord if it was a walleye. Oh my goodness, it's a. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! This perch is huge! Look how freaking big that thing is. It's huge. It's fat. It's massive. I'm gonna measure it real quick. See how big it is. Yo, it's massive. 13 inches exactly. Maybe even slightly more. Basically 13 inches at least. It's massive. Just look at me holding it. This is literally a trophy perch right here. Wow, that's awesome. Let's get more. Marking a fish, but it's not biting. Got him. Oh my goodness. It's a perch. No! Oh, it's on. Come here, buddy. Look at this guy. Oh, screw it. Oh, yeah. Nice male. I think it's a boy. Because all the females are fat, filled with eggs. Nice one. Nice perch. This is considered pretty big in some places. Nice perch. Let's get more. Oh my, I'm marking, yo. Got him. I got him. Oh my, yo, my hands are so numb. Oh my goodness. Only if you guys felt how numb my hands are. I could barely reel this thing. Okay, that feels good. That feels a little better like this. Okay, nah, yo, I literally cannot. Only if you guys saw how this fish flew up. I still don't know what it is. It feels like a walleye, I can't lie, but if you guys see my other previous video, I was wrong on it. Oh my god, I got a walleye! Let's freaking go! Oh, and it popped out. Go! I got a walleye! Oh! After coming here like 8 times, it's a beautiful walleye. Look at this. I got one, and I'm keeping it because it's definitely over 15 inches. Oh my goodness. Today can't be any better. Wow. I'm gonna kiss you. Mwah. Thank you, baby. For me, that's awesome. I haven't caught a keeper walleye a single time this year, and where I live, we don't have like crazy walleye here, but we got one, and I'm so freaking happy. Let's go. Finally, I caught a keeper walleye. I mean, let's go. Where I live, there's not like, the walleye are not huge. There is big walleye here. Biggest one I caught is 27 inches. So we have pretty big walleye here. We have a lot of walleye, but that for this lake, I'd say that's like probably average. You don't really catch that much bigger ones, but got it. Oh my goodness, he smacked it. Oh my goodness, my transducer has to always be in the way. Oh, let's go. Oh my. All right, well, this is also a first timer today, catching a walleye. I mean a perch this late at night. Stop. Oh my goodness, bro. I cannot do anything. Hey. Oh. Nice perch. That's to wrap this video up. If you guys got to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I'm gonna fish for like a little bit more, see if anything, but I'm gonna pack up a few stuff that I have and I'm gonna head out. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll continue posting more videos.